Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to align object. So for example, you can create the sketch. I will draw rectangle in it. And then use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. We create again another sketch, rectangle. And I will create circle in the center. Use pull again to convert into 3D. Last, I will create a circle in it. And then you can use again pull tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to align these objects, you can go to the assembly. You can click here, assembly, and then there are the align option. You can click. Like I will select at this edge, and then connect with this edge. This, I will click again from this edge and with this edge. Or you can align from the center point into center point. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to align object. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.